Okay, we're back out the front. Getting too wet there. Have a nice coffee. And now I'm starting to slow down. One of the condominiums has returned. I swear to God, there's 3 condominiums over there. Go to Buddha. Now we're slowing down. And there we are. And now you see? Now you see? That wasn't lying. I can see 2 now. That's the other 3. Can you? Not much, no. And things are slowing down as the storm goes away. Like a train coming to a stop. Oh, maybe not. Temperatures still around about 20, 27, 28 degrees. Cools everything down. That's the best thing about the rainy season, it just cools everything down. And when you're exercising or running, like I do a lot, this is, yeah, really nice. Gives you that energy to run a bit further. So you can see the condominiums now coming into view. Can you see them? I would suggest that we turn our electrical items off. While we're here, we have internet and telephone and etc. We'll turn it off. People have had lightning strikes. Sat underneath trees. A couple of Cambodian and Vietnamese workers under a tree a couple of weeks ago. Oh, maybe not. I think it's ending because I can see the condominiums now more. I've seen it so strange because in the time I've been here, I've seen it where it just started and then within 20 minutes, boom, finished. Blue sky, and I've seen it going on for about an hour. So storm's still got teeth. I was out a couple of weeks ago, well, last week really, and I was on the on the way to the supermarket and the store, Lotus, and I got caught in it, and I hid underneath. I was prepared for it. But I had a big jacket on. That big jacket, kind of like one of these plastic things you put over yourself. Anyway, so it got a bit worse, so I decided to stop. And the lightning was just biblical. It really was. Anyway, so for instance, then it stopped, and the lightning still continued. It was going on, and you could see it moving off into the far distance over by the beach area. And as I was there, for instance, and I was watching it, and then I continued. Nope, but I'm still not finished. Anyway, so yeah, and I watched it, and I went the opposite way. As I got up, because I was going uphill, I got to the top of the hill, and I looked back, and I could see it. And I had my plastic thing Mac off by that time. I walked into the supermarket, which was air conditioning. It was freezing inside. Came back out. Oh, the condominiums are going again. Anyway, so yeah, and it was, yeah. And when I came back out the supermarket, I was walking down the hill towards it. You could still see it in the distance. Lightning strikes, and yeah, incredible. Really is amazing to watch. One thing I love about Thailand is one of these thunderstorms. My lady hates them. She can't stand them. She'll be underneath the right now she's at work. She'll be hiding from them right now. I don't know why. I've been there. Beautiful. When I lived in the UK, love it, what a sound. When I lived in the UK, I used to get thunderstorms after the sun would go down after a hot day. And it'd be like this for about 10 minutes or so. And it'd be on the news and all this kind of thing, and blah, 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 blah. So I was just taking the stride. And I remember, but yeah, it's just wonderful. Going. I think he's got a 4x4. He's going to have no problem. Oh, there we go. 3, 2, 1. There's the missus. And the meeting's going again. No, it's wonderful. It's wonderful to me. I just love the sound of it. Because the thing is, again, within a half an hour or so, you wouldn't even know it's. You wouldn't even know it's. What's it called? It's on here. I'm just going to take a chance on the bike. I'll think twice if I were you. I was kind of used to it. Don't care what kind of umbrellas they ride. And no helmet. Oh, there we go. Oh, there he goes. One quick cigarette. Off he'll go, riding his bike. Not recommended. Even one-handed. Gotta know what the hell you're doing. Madness, if I was concerned. But this is what the Thais do. This is them. They're used to it. But the problem is when the phalanx come over here and they try to do the same thing, they end up crashing into trees. Not saying he's anything better, because you know he can't have accidents just as much as the Langs. But the problem is the fact that you know they get free healthcare. They get where you don't. You've got to pay for the damn thing after you be alive. It's not worth it. Having an accident, damaging yourself, breaking your back, and breaking your arm, a leg, God knows what. Best thing to do is not ride a bike. Do what I do, walk. You're on bloody holiday, for God's sake, or whatever. You can't work if you're retired over here or anything. So you gotta. Yeah. So what's the point? You get there 20 minutes slower. So what? If you get there alive, see you the next day. I'd rather do that than actually ride a motorbike, etc. In conditions like this, or even dry conditions on the crazy Thai roads. And we went to the road, which is just over there, the main road. Just over that down. Main road, Sukhumvit. Did I pronounce that right? Sukhumvit. And then, you'll find that cars are still driving crazy. And you think to yourself, why? Yeah. Now that was a cracker. Yeah, baby. And I thought everything's finished. Did have a flash? Had a flash in the cash? That was a good one. That was a good one. I've experienced that one before. Outside the front there, and I looked up and I heard a flash and a bang straight away. That was a cracker, that one, wasn't it? Eh? I can't stand the rain on my window, thinking back to memories. Oh, window pane.